Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So the tensions over the past week with Venezuela and America has led to the Monday morning opening being quite significant and possibly a good driver for gold after jumping roughly $100 from the early Asian and Australian session. Got it on the 1 hour chart at the moment because I just want to emphasize just how much of a push higher we're moving at the moment. And as you can see, the RSI is very overbought as well. So it's mostly looking likely that we will have a little bit of a slowdown in price action. However, with these tensions boiling over quite significantly, it's another reason why gold traders will start buying into the yellow metal and possibly looking to see if we're going to have another massive rally in the process as well. So we'll wait and see if that does happen and what comes into fruition. But as you can see here, as I said, just want to emphasize on the 1 hour chart first of all today that from the closing that we had on Friday, roughly just above 4,300, we are now trading well above 4,400 and moving progressively higher. 4 hour chart sees a most vastly bigger picture because of this massive bullish candle that we're seeing on the chart as well, trying to reclaim top spot at least above 4,500. So just got another $50-60 to go before that does come into fruition. But at the moment, are we running out of steam for gold? Is there still potentially room to move higher? Well, we've seen this time and time again on gold and silver in the last few weeks. And on the daily chart, as you can see here, not far now from another potential record high. But as you can see here, there's no wicks on this bullish candle at the moment. It's just pretty much straight up higher, and we'll just see if that does come into fruition, if we do have more of an upturn in price action. Now on the flip side of that, oil, we were looking to see if there's going to be any massive price jumps, any gaps in the market upon opening, because President Trump did say they're going to take over or oversee the operations for Venezuela in the next few weeks, and that also includes the oil supplies that they have there as well. So oil could get a bit erratic over the next few trading sessions, and as we open our account for 2026, we've got a host of headline news this week alone. Even the NFPs are looking a little bit more progressive than usual, but obviously we'll report on that a little bit later on. But at the moment, as I said, it's all about the gold price jump, the tensions in Venezuela and America. We've got the ongoing tensions with Russia and Ukraine, and it just keeps ongoing. So it's not really a very good start to the year for the global economies, but we'll wait and see for trading gold, trading metals, that we give the opportunities and see where next is in store for this move higher. At the moment, we're just seeing now prices, as I said, with oil just hitting this plateau on this kind of triple bottom that we saw at the back end of December. So if we do break that particular level, I would fully expect a continuation lower and then possibly a move even lower towards probably the mid 55 area. So at least a couple of dollars more downwards that it can go, which isn't out of the realm of possibility. If we go on the daily chart, as you can see here, we're hitting a monthly multi-month low. If that does happen, the prices haven't seen these potential prices since the middle of last year. So very pressured at the moment. Let's see where we go, and let's see the next headlines as well. But as always, we'll bring all the latest in fundamentals and technicals as they come. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.